Professor Mike here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking the truck today. We're gonna do a full-on grocery haul. So we have a full list of Walmart groceries that we got for 4 of my roommates and me, and we split food and just split the bill. So it's gonna be about $260, almost $300 for a full-on grocery haul. I'm gonna throw it all in the back of the truck. So stay with me today and I'll show you how I do that. So this truck is actually turning into a soccer mom vehicle, and it's a grocery getter from now on. So I'm gonna go ahead and lift the seats up and you're gonna see how much groceries we can fit in the back of this truck. This is where it's gonna go, right in the back here. We're gonna fit a ton of groceries back here. We usually go to Costco and Walmart at the same time, but now we're just gonna go to Walmart, do a full grocery haul. Pretty full, not as full as we sometimes we do like $400, $300 grocery hauls, because just us 4 and we're all friends and we just split the bill 4 ways and it comes out to like 40, 50 bucks a person for like 3-4 weeks straight. So it's awesome. We make it count, we make it work. So also real quick, if you guys are wondering what I've done to the truck so far, link in the description of every single mod I've done. You can actually purchase them through Amazon. And then also if you're wondering how to make a little extra money and start investing, I do have some links down there for M1 Finance, Robinhood, and Coinbase. What is somebody just gonna like pull up to the front and then they're gonna have it ready? Video this. So we're on a grocery haul right now, and we're gonna see how much we can fill up this truck with. It's about a $200 and something grocery haul. So it's not as big as the grocery hauls we used to do when we go to Costco, but I'm gonna show you guys how you can basically fill up the whole truck in the back, just lift the seats up, pretty much get everything filled in for the day. You got this dude just hanging out. Not a clue. Should have hit him with the PA. Come on, buddy.
Making no effort to get out of the way.
We go ahead and lift them seats up. Reserved pickup. Lift these seats up for them. There you go. Alright, yeah, so the cool thing about the truck is you can actually fit a lot, but try lifting these seats up. And usually when we go shopping at Costco, they don't really give you bags or anything like that, so we're able just to throw it in here, and you can stack it pretty tall. If you want to put the seats down, you can, but we usually lift the seats up, and usually the whole back is covered full. So here was the grocery haul for today. It's basically we do this every 2 to 3 weeks, and it actually came out to $236, which is actually pretty good. What's that, bro? Yeah, right here. Yep. Right in there. Dang, that's a lot of groceries. Gosh. Start filling it up. Be able to fit everything. I think so. Yeah, it looks like this is stacked up. Still got a lot to go too, but we got some more on this side. We got some on this side here. But yeah, it's pretty cool. You just order it online, and then they basically just come to the truck, come to your car, and fill it up for you. And the good thing about it is you can actually fix everything in the. Okay, cool. And you can actually just put everything in the queue, and then what you can do is just save it, and then next time you want to go shopping, just hit it again, and actually you can save everything. So they are all done. Let me see. There it all is. Jesus. Where did he put the bread? Oh, you put it right there. Not even done yet, but we still have a lot in the truck still. Jesus. Not really making pay for everything? Dude, that's a waste of bags.
It's a waste of what?
Bags, to put one thing in a bag.
Yeah, no. Better.
Alright, so there you guys have it. That was a full-on grocery haul. It was very interesting. It was our first time doing that. We've never actually ordered. We usually just go in and just pick things out ourselves. So it was cool to have it ordered and then put in the truck for us. Didn't have to do anything. And just came back and just put it right away. It was super easy. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below.
leave a like. I respond to all my viewers, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.